Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize websites on Ecwid for specialty food business easy and quick. So as you know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here, you have to sign up for free so you can start it free. So let's get started. Now sign up. Okay, I'm gonna sign up with Google. So as you see here, this is the dashboard, and the first thing here you have to do, you have to set up your website and storefront. So click here, it will take you to the editor page. Here where you're gonna design, customize your homepage website. Okay, so click on the settings and go to the templates and select the food topic for specialty food, and you can select any templates from here and design it. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this one here. Okay, so the first thing here you have to change starts with the header in the menu, so you have to change everything here. Okay, you can enter the logo as as an image or as a text, whatever you like. uh, let's go back. Here you have to manage this navigation menu, so you can delete all this menu item and add your own menu items. Now let's move on to the design. So in the design of any section here, you have to try your best to make your site looks attractive to anyone can visit your site and attract to your business. So make sure don't forget the simple details like the font and like the size, like the color. Okay, and also the spacing and the frame outline. You can add the frame outline to make it more attractive. You can change the color in the background. Okay, now let's go back. Let's move on now to the next section, the cover and the headline. So you have to add here the tagline and the title and an attractive description that matches the title. So for example, you can type introduce your business to your customers. For example, welcome to our site for specialty food. Okay, just like that. And after this you have to go change the type of the description here. So you have to change the size first, change the font. Okay, also you have to change the layout, choose your favorite one. So that's it. This is more attractive, more clear. Now let's go back to the next section. So nothing special here. You can add the description here and the subtitle. If you wanna delete some section, you don't like it, just click here, it will be deleted. Now let's go back. Let's move on now to the store section. So here you have to create your product. So go back to the dashboard and click here, add your product or services. Now click new product. Okay, so as you see here, you have to add your products gallery. Check a picture of your product and add it here, the name of your product, the ref, and the weight in kilogram. Also you can customize the prices options here, and don't forget the description of your product. Okay, now let's go back. After done from this, save this place here and go back to the editor and complete here the design, the background, and the product name, the product image, the product price, and the buy button. Now let's move on to the next section. As you see here, this section you can add the title and the subtitle, and here in this description you can use this space to talk about your company and your your quality, and why should your customers use your services or buy from you. Okay, you can also change the image, so from your library or whatever from the browser, you can upload it. In the layout here, you can choose your favorite layout. Okay, now let's go back and let's move on now to the next section, the customer reviews. So here you have to add the review text. Okay, you can add the review text and the author name, and the design, choose your favorite one. Okay, that's it. Now let's go back, let's move on now to delivery information. Nothing special here. You have to add a description, and you can change the image. It depends on your business. Okay, and your business. Now choose your favorite layout here. Okay, let's go back, let's move on now to the next section. So nothing special here, the same thing as normal. You can change the tagline, the title, and add the description, and also the design here. You can choose your favorite design, your favorite layout. Okay, so the same thing as normal. Now let's go back, let's move on now to the contacts. So you can use this title here, visit our place. Okay, so after this, you have to add description. Also you can use this description here. You have to add your business address, your exact postal address or plus code. You have to enter the daily hours, the contact information, and the social profiles, and the design and the layout. If I rather to choose this one here of the map in the background. It's much better than the other. Okay, that's it. Now let's go back, let's move on to the next section, the last section here. Enter your company name for the copyright. That's it. If you want to add something new, you just click here at section, and you can select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage. Okay, so that's it. If you're done, you can just publish your website. Now your site is published, you can start selling, you can start your business. Okay, if you wanna view the preview, you can edit it from here. Okay, so that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.